In this research, I'm working on bat surveys. Specifically, we're looking for little brown bats.
And I'm working towards identifying the regulators of two well-known genes in Medicago truncatula or barometic.
What our research is doing is exploring deeper into acoustic methods for monitoring state endangered cricket frogs.
Through this experience, we've been doing a lot of research, examining the effects of stream restoration as well as beaver dams on local streams.
We're checking to see if they have been affected by white nose syndrome, which is a serious risk to them, and we're also looking to see how their numbers are doing, because since it is a risk, their numbers have been declining.
These genes are involved in a beneficial plant microbe relationship, rhizobia and legume relationship, which results in root nodule formation.
This is important in their conservation because if we can get the most efficient and useful ways to monitor them, we're going to get the best and the most information we can, which is going to be important and concerning in the future.
I think student engagement in undergraduate research is really important because it provides students a real opportunity to engage in science.
Science isn't easy. It's a process that's fraught with lots of rewards and different challenges. And it's important that students experience both of those in order to figure out if that's really what they want to do in order to be a scientist for the rest of their lives.
Student engagement in undergraduate research is important because that's really where the students are seeing how biology relates to the real world.
Engaging undergraduate students in research is very important because it helps them better understand the dry facts covered in the lecture when they do the research with us. And it helps them learn to balance a collaborative versus an individual work. It helps them determine an area of interest, and also it helps them jumpstart their career as researchers.
This also benefits not only our research program, but the research community as well. We couldn't do a lot of the work that we're doing without students being involved in the process.
What I'm doing here plays a large role possibly in the future of agriculture. The end product that we're working towards here, in collaboration with other universities and other researchers, could possibly be revolutionary to agriculture. Being able to just play a small role in that, I believe, is incredible.
I want to see what I can do to help them, but also I'm interested in working for the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, and they do very similar studies about bat populations and health, so it's great for furthering my career down the road.
This research is important to me because it's getting the foot in the door of a research that hasn't been done before, and it's helping out an endangered species.
It means a lot to me because I get to be out in the field and I get to really get hands-on training with something that might become my possible career.
Undergraduate research benefits me by allowing me to practice what I'm going to do once I leave Platteville. And that's going to be a benefit for me in the workplace in the future, applying to graduate schools, trying to do things after Platteville, knowing that I'm well prepared by the university.
I learn things here that I can't learn in the classroom, and I've been in other internships, other conferences. I know what students on my level and in my field are doing in different places, and this gives me a chance to stay on their level, if not get an edge above them. So when I get put in the same room as them and I'm asked to collaborate with them, I can keep up with them and compete with them.